The lemon basil in my garden needs trimming again. Today I'm going to bake it into a cake. Lemon basil has a light citrus aroma, with a gentle herbal note, but without the sharpness of lemon juice. How will it taste with bananas and walnuts? I just picked the lemon basil. I kept only the tender tips and leaves. About 40 to 50 leaves. Rinse them well with clean water. Then give them a rough chop. No need to chop them too finely. You'll still see little green leaves after baking. "70 grams of walnuts. Leave them slightly chunky for texture. Use 3 ripe bananas for natural sweetness. They're also easier to mash. Mix 3 eggs with the mashed bananas. Combine 200 grams flour with 70 grams oat flour. Add 3 grams baking powder and 4 grams baking soda. Mix well. Sift the dry mix into the batter in 2 to 3 batches. Fold gently after each addition. This helps everything blend evenly. Fold in the chopped walnuts. Finally, fold in the chopped lemon basil. This is the cake's secret ingredient. Pour the batter into a lined loaf pan. Smooth the top. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake for 40 minutes. After about 30 minutes, the top starts to crack. Cover with foil if it browns too quickly. That natural crack is part of a loaf cake's charm. Let it cool before slicing. This cake has no added sugar. Ripe bananas provide all the sweetness. I didn't add any extra oil either. The walnuts bring their own healthy oils and nutty flavor. The oat flour adds a warm grain aroma and extra dietary fiber. But the real highlight is the fresh lemon basil. It's not the star, but a perfect supporting role. It never overpowers the banana, walnuts, or oats. Instead, it leaves a delicate citrus herb finish, bringing the whole cake together beautifully. Whether for breakfast or afternoon tea, it's a simple, healthy, and satisfying treat. Simple ingredients can create something truly special.